ngimthanda nobabili.
Sobabili sinobani because wena umention partner bakhe abawu2 and mina uzange uzengimention lapha.
Exactly.
No Katlego.
That's why he said.
Uliside yena.
That's why he said when you are in love with him. That's why he was not mentioning.
Uthe wena in love nawe wena ukho in love nami. Intombi ishelwa ngamanga.
Uthi intombi ishelwa ngamanga.
2 years wonke ungangitshela ukuthi nomfazi and if nginawo angaze ngabamba lutho olukhombisa ukuthi nomfazi why ungifihlela. Okusho ukuthi wena 2 years wonke siyajola wena nje sijola ngamanga and uthe uzoyekhaya next month usazoqhubeka uyekhaya
uthi uzwenzani
uyolobola.
Okay, silalela us2
wena uthe uyongilobola next month and ekhaya sebe
I'm still waiting to with my wife so that I can get the permission.
Manje usuzokhuluma ngonkosikazi wakho wena awuzange ungitshela ukuthi unonkosikazi mina ngazi ukuthi mina unkosikazi wakho uzoba unkosikazi wakho oqala and ekhaya bayazi yonke into angithi wena uthumela ilethe ekhaya indaba ungasho ukuthi unonkosikazi
uthumela iletha
ekhaya and bayazi sesiplane yonke into.
It's not a fake letter that one. Manje uthi uzokhuluma nonkosikazi ukuthi aletha amalobola ucabanga ukuthi unkosikazi angakwazi uzovuma ukuthi alethe
uzovuma kanjani
angakwazi it's not possible.
Kanjani engangazi iqiniso
mara ushiyathi intombi ishelwa ngamanga so yabo sokuthi bacamba amanga from the start even namanje
so wena nje
ucabanga ukuthi ithumele uwe it's not him
le letho ithumele ekhaya mina into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi usayini ekhaya next month
iphuma phi le letter I don't think iphuma kuwe
akuyona imistake le akuyona imistake awukwazi ukuthi ungenza imistake for 2 years awukwazi ukuthi ungenza imistake for 2 years
nomuntu lo uyamupha ngithi 2 years
yes
iplastic neyasebenza
no asisebenzisi
because wena wazi ukuthi uye
imina kuphela uthini ayikho lento ekhuluma into engazwakali wena uyangijwayela kabi nje kuphela 2 years wonke mina nawe siyalala ngaphandle kwecondom and wena unamapartner mangaka what if mina ngiyagula
I know mina ngiright
awukazi ungitshengisa you remember ukuthi wena wathi sohamba siyo test and kwahamba mina ngedwa kuyo testa wena kumele ngabe ungithumelile ukuthi utestile awukazi uzungitshengisa ukuthi utestile mina ngizokukhola kanjani ukuthi wena awuguli
uthi mina ngiright
nini because wena unomunye partner futhi ono 3 months naye ngapheke konkosikazi wakho shuthi wena nje you keep on cheating